Now then, where are we? I'm heading to the railway station. A last minute decision. I'm going to head to Manchester and do some street photography around the Northern Quarter, and I'm going to head to the Etihad and have a look how the stadium development is getting on. Beautiful clouds again, little patches of sunshine, but that doesn't really matter in Manchester because it's probably dull and raining. I've got with me my new Tamron 17 to 28mm wide angle lens and my 100mm Sony lens. So let's see what I can do, see how many pictures I can get, see if I don't get robbed. Let's see what happens. Oh, we're alright. Straight in. Alright, Paul. Can I have open return to Manchester Piccadilly?
You're not back today, no?
Yeah, today, yeah, sorry.
£15.85, that one.
Cheers, Paul. Thank you very much. Are you sitting in both of them?
No, my friend is. We've reserved one.
Alright. Does anyone sit there, mate?
No, no.
Told you it'd be raining.
Today, Saturday, Friday, 22nd of August, major engineering works will take place in the Stockport area. During this time, train services from Manchester to Piccadilly.
The city, Manchester City, we're the boys who are playing to win.
Where are you going to, Paul?
Just zones 1 and 2.
Zone 1 and 2.
350.
You're going back, yeah?
Yeah.
There you go, it's an all day one, mate, so just put your cash. Yeah, put it in there, mate.
Is that going to Etihad now?
Yes, it is, yeah. It should be alright to get on there.
You okay, mate?
Well, is this going?
Yeah, it is, yeah, absolutely. Here you go.
This is Etihad campus, where distance
You couldn't make it up. He's absolutely teaming it down. Absolutely teaming it down. Oh my word. Oh, it's coming on, isn't it? I stuck with it, and the sun has come out, so I've got my Sony out, my new Tamron wide angle. But at this moment in time, I'm going to head back to the tram stop and head back into the city. Get some more shots. Beautiful sky for photography. Let's hope that it doesn't rain anymore. So I will get some wide angle shots in the city centre, then I'll put my 100mm on and try and focus on snapping a few of the interesting characters who will be hanging around the city centre. Right, I'm going to head to the Printworks, the Witherspoons, get myself a pint of lager. It takes a little bit of nerve to get your fancy camera out round here. Beautiful Chinese supporter with a city kit on. Lovely! Lovely to see. I'm going to slow that down again so you can have a look at her again. She's not being funny. Why do people always say that? I'm not being funny. Here comes the rain again, so time to get in here and have a quick beer. Quite a few police hanging about, I don't know what's going on. So Witherspoons on the right. Last time I was here it was £7.30 odd for 2 beers, and then we went in there and it was a tenner. The Lower Turk's Head. It's a good name for a pub across the road. A lot of characters around here.
I'm going to go fucking daft, I really am.
Nice lad. Oh, fucking It started spitting again. You couldn't make it up. Nearly. I nearly got you then.
Nearly.
Okay. Excuse me, could I take a picture with the colour? Fantastic. Thank you. The colours are really nice. Yeah. My Instagram, the Eyes of Owen. That's it there, yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you. Thank you.